Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rejoice, and in today's video I'll be showing you this detailed tutorial on how to do this everyday makeup look. So get ready to learn because I've made it as detailed as I can. Yeah, let's get into the video. To start, I always like to go in with eyebrow gel to freeze my eyebrows. This will help them to last longer whole day. And then I go ahead with some powder just to pat it with so that my pencil can draw properly. You know, usually the area around the eyebrows is oily, so you need to always use some powder, you pat it. But if you don't have oily skin around your brows, you can leave it. But usually if you use gel at times contains oil, so you need to pat it with some powder and make it easy to draw. Okay, so right now I'm going to go ahead and clean my eyebrows with this concealer from Essence. Cleaning my eyebrows, you can either use an angled or a flat brush. So I'm using a flat brush to clean my eyebrows. Usually when you clean your eyebrows, go slowly, bit by bit, because if you just go straight, you not get proper eyebrows. So next we're going in with foundation. I'm using Maybelline Super Stay. Now, I always like to first of all spread out my foundation with a brush before going in with a beauty blender, a foundation brush, or a powder puff. Recently, I'm obsessed with these powder puffs. You can get them even from Shein. I got these ones from Shein or any online store, even drugstore. You can get them from there. So I so love them because they give me a smooth blend. Like everything just melt onto my skin with this. I equally like to blend my concealer with it. I'm using still the concealer from Essence to highlight my under eyes. I'm still using the powder puff. I got several of them. So I'm still using the powder puff to blend in my highlighted areas. In makeup, guys, every detail counts. So avoid using the same brush for different purposes a lot, except the products are close to each other. So right now I'm going in with some blush, and I'm loving the way it melts onto my skin. This blush also is from Shein. I do love it. I saw a lot of reviews online, so I got one. And also liquid contour from Shein too. So I'm just using it. Just look at that. It gives me that shade, that shadow that I want. So right now I'm going in to set my under eyes with loose powder. Set all the highlighted areas, also the bridge of my nose. This one below my jawline is just to let my contour line be more precise. So I go ahead and set my whole face now with my normal powder, my usual powder. Right now I add some more powder blush, because before the end of the look the blush usually reduces, so I need to put some more blush, and I love it when my jaws are quite warm. So now I'm going in with eyeshadow. I love brown eyeshadow for a soft daily look. Then I go in with this liquid liner, line my eyes and apply mascara. Then I stick my lashes. Now I'm going in with this pencil just to line my lips, and this gloss I got it from Essence. You guys, it's giving me what I want, just soft and natural. I hope you loved this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give me thumbs up, and until next time, see you. Bye.